Good morning. I'm here on behalf of the organ team, and what we've decided to do is on every second Sunday of the month, we're going to give you an update, and I'll play a piece of music on the organ. Just so you know, Fred, Tom, and Rob were given a chance to play, but they demurred. So, so it'll be me. Anyway, I think the slide is up. We already have $17,000 of pledges, so that's a praise the Lord moment. And there is still time. There was a question about the form, just so everybody understands, the reason for the 22 and the 23 boxes was just our attempt to give you some flexibility. So it's just an issue of if you would like that extra year to pull things together. That's what it was. It was designed to be helpful. So it's just a simple matter of if you feel led to pledge, would it be fulfilled in 22 or 23? Any more questions about that, feel free to check with the organ team. Again, we're really pleased with this initial pledge, and like I said, we'll keep going. So what I'm going to play today is called Arioso. I had a moment this week. I'm still trying to find the program. Somewhere in the files is the program that was played in 1907 when the organ was installed. I knew there was a Handel piece, so I'm playing a Handel piece. I don't know if it's the right Handel piece, but it's a Handel piece, okay? So it's Arioso. It's based on the Italian word aria, which is air, which is supposed to be a vocal solo. So I'm using the stop that you hear for the melody is the stop I showed you a few weeks ago. It's designed to lead in singing. So even though I'm playing a solo piece, I'm using the solo stop. That's to remind us that the whole point of that thing is to lead us in singing on Sunday morning. So this is Arioso by Handel.